Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect HyperX Cloud 3 with Bluetooth in 2026. Now, there is one important thing that you need to understand here. HyperX Cloud 3 Wireless does not support the standard Bluetooth connectivity. It basically uses the 2.4 GHz USB wireless dongle, which is different from Bluetooth. So in order to use that, first of all, this headset is designed for the low latency gaming, which is why it uses a USB receiver instead of Bluetooth. So currently you can't actually pair it directly with phones or laptops via the Bluetooth settings. Instead, you need to plug the USB dongle into your device, such as a PC, PS5 or laptop. Then you just have to turn on your headset. Then the headset will automatically connect to the dongle within just a few seconds. Once connected, the LED indicator will stop blinking and it will remain stable. This confirms that your headset is now paired and ready to use. Now, if it doesn't connect, you can just simply do these troubleshooting things, like you just have to reinsert the USB dongle, you can restart the headset, or you can also try a different USB port. Now, if you want to use the headset with your phone, you will need to use a wired connection since Bluetooth is not supported yet. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.